Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy text from one text file and then paste it to another text file. So first of all, what is a text file? So a text file is like a computer file which contains your text. So that is the text file. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are here at my desktop and I have two text files over here. So this one contains the text, the rename.txt, and this text for you text is empty. So if I want to copy text from this text file to this text file, first of all I will have to open this text file. I will have to select the text. I will have to copy this, and now I will have to go to this text file, the text of for you.txt, then right click and click on paste, and then I will have to save. Now if I close it, now this text file has the same text. So this is how you copy text from one text file to another text file. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to copy text from one file to another text file. Now thank you for watching.